Corn on the cob. Just fell into the sink. Three ingredient corn on the cob, so that when it's cooked, doesn't require salt and pepper. It's just take it out of the husk and eat it. And it is really, really good. Can it be done? Yes, it can be done. I'm going to do it in the smoker tonight. You can also do this on the grill. You're not going to boil it. Not sure if you could do it in the oven. You probably could. But I'm going to do it on the smoker. Let me show you what to do. Come on down here. Ready to go. Got some meat on, got a good smoke going to it. Try to get this thing open. There we go. A little smoke in the eye. I'm going to set these guys in there and try to leave the open end up. Good grief, smoke in my eye. We'll just stack them on there. That works. Shut her down. We'll have some corn on the cob in a little bit. So now it's time to sit back, let it smoke, enjoy a cocktail. Cheers. See you in a little bit. Yum. Corn's done. How do I know? Because I've had 2 cocktails. So that's plenty of time for it. And because it looks like that. How much time did it take? I don't know. Because I've had 2 cocktails. So we're going to call it good. I don't think we can go wrong. Sorry to bring you to my trash can, but it's the best place to do it. Peel all of that off. Just like so. Get all the stringy hairs off of it, which I had actually trimmed from the beginning, at least on the top. But once it's cooked, they all come off pretty easily. So peel your husk back, burn the crap out of your hands, snap the bottom off. Smoked corn on the cob, because a lot of you people have to see me eat it. I'm here to eat it. Sweet, smoky, tasty. No need for salt and pepper. If I could do the old school cartoon, I would, but I can't. Smoke you some corn on the cob. Thanks for watching Eat This Grinds and Cocktails. My mom always told me to not talk with my mouth full. We tell our kids to not talk with our mouth full, but I tend to do it on this video quite often. I apologize for that. If that doesn't offend you too bad, subscribe. Give it a thumbs up, click the enable notifications bell, and share it with your friends. And have a great day.